how to add products on Shopify from AliExpress. So here is AliExpress and my Shopify account. And the first thing we have to do is go to Google and search for DSER. Select the first one. And just so you know, DSER is what we will use to connect AliExpress with Shopify. It is the best AliExpress dropshipping tool. And I guess that's true. So let's try it for free in the upper right corner. And then let's make an account. Once you are done making an account, select your platform, which is Shopify, and you will be redirected to this page and just simply click Add App. Now select your Shopify account here. Then you will see this notice to bind this search account to your Shopify account and just click Yes. And then you will be redirected to this page and just simply click Install App in the upper portion. Since my Deezers account is just new, this page will pop up and we just have to choose basic or the free option. Then finally link your AliExpress. Another page will appear. Just simply scroll down and then click Authorize. Now this is the Deezers homepage. And to use this properly, we have to install the Deezers extension to our browser. We can do this by going to Google and searching for Deezer extension and selecting the first one. After that, just simply select Get. Then add the Deezers extension to your browser. Once that is done, it should appear on the upper portion of the browser, and if it's not, you can simply select the three dots on the upper right corner and then selecting Extensions. Now enable Deezers, and there you have it. You can see it on the upper portion of the browser. Click it and then log in on the Deezers account that you made earlier. Then just click Login here and then it will redirect you to this page. Now it is time to find the product that you want to put on Shopify. Scroll through AliExpress and then find the product that you want. For example, here I will choose the fashion accessories. After choosing one, we can read the description and other things, the prices, and then here we can see Add to Deezers. Now, if you click the extension, we will be able to see a lot of different options like the country and the currency. You can change this and update the settings for your AliExpress. Once you're satisfied with that, just simply select Add to Deezers. And then here you will get a notification of AliExpress product import success. After that, we can now check the product on import list. And as you can see, the product is already there. And we can further edit this by clicking this pencil icon. And here you will be able to edit the product details, the type, the tags, the variants, description, the images, and the shipping info. For example, here you only want one variant. You can delete it by clicking the trash bin icon on the right side. And then on the description, you can edit this. And the images, you can deselect or also delete it by clicking this trash bin or the tick button. And next, for the shipping info, we can ship it to another country. Just select it or type it. Once selected, all the shipping info will be here. The shipping cost, the delivery time, and the tracking information. And once you are satisfied with that, just click Save and then hover your mouse on the product. And here you can see Push to Spotify icon. Just read through everything here, and then once you are done, Just click Push to Shopify. Then after some loading, you will see the notification that it is successfully pushed to the store. Now we can go ahead and check it on our Shopify page by clicking the products, and now it is here in the product list. Its status is active, and we can further edit this by clicking it. Here you can edit a lot more information to your liking. Just scroll through everything here and check if it is okay with you. And you can even get a preview of this by going to the top portion of the page and then clicking More Actions, then select Preview. It will lead you to another page, and there you have it. The product from AliExpress is now in your Shopify store. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.